I had the same sound on my car, but it was intermediate, so I had to download this video from YouTube from somebody just to demonstrate what kind of sound I'm talking about. This screeching sound means that the ignition switch need to be replaced soon. The problem lays in the ignition switch, not in the ignition relay, where this sound comes from. To replace the switch, which is located in here, you need to take off this cover first. How to do that? It's 2014, so there is no like 3 screws here. There's only 1 screw in here next to this, so you need to unscrew 1 screw here, which looks like that. I already did it. Then you need to pop up the top cover first with prying tool. When you pop it up, you're gonna see a couple of screws here which hold the bottom cover. The one bolt which is holding the bottom cover located in here. To reach it, you need to turn the wheel, the steering wheel, to be able to reach the screw bolt. Like it's here. Unscrew it. Then you need to do the same thing on the right side. Need to the wheel. To unscrew the second screw bolt which is holding the bottom of this cover. Right here. After unscrewing them, bottom cover will pop up. Just wiggle it left to right like that, and here it is, this ignition switch. This one I bought from AutoZone. The first time I bought it was from Amazon, and the same in the wrong part. The part number for AutoZone LS1640. The ignition switch held with 2 screws. One goes here and another goes from another side of this switch. Here's one screw hole. Here's another one on opposite side. So it goes under this switch and using the screwdriver on opposite side. It would really help if you have this 90-degree screwdriver like that from bike kit. Here's from another angle. Ignition key, switch, is the bolt. This small screw bolt is not going to cooperate. I tried like for half hour. Eventually I had to break the top of this ignition switch. Since it was plastic, it was easy to break it and release this screw bolt. I had a new switch, so I didn't really care about the old one. To pull out connector from this ignition switch, you need to push the top on the side of this switch and then pull out the whole thing. Release this, break it, just pull it, and just pull out the connector. Just in case, I lubricated the thread inside of this ignition switch so I wouldn't have a problem with installation of new ignition switch. It goes in and goes out, no problem. Using flat screwdriver, I aligned the position of knob between the new and old ignition switch so it would fit exactly when you put it over the road. That's about it. One screw goes on the top and another one, troublemaker, goes on the bottom. The one which gave me trouble before goes back good, no problem. Connecting back this connector. Here it goes, functional testing. Seems there is no problem. Pulling back the lower cover first. As you can see, I have to line up on one side. And here it goes, second bolt on the opposite side. Align another hole. And the last screw which goes on the back of this cover on a Honda's 4th generation, so there is only one, not 3 of them. The top cover is first to remove and top cover is the last to put back. As you can see, there is guides here, and the other side, and break it like this, and another side. And just push it down. Close up the top cover and you're done.
Recording started.
This it was actually, I think, variable timing control and not the switch, not the ignition switch. It's a different sound. Usually it happens in the morning. See, it doesn't happen second
Recording
time.
started.
Oh,
Recording
it
started.
works. It works. That's all that's matter.